On guys, it's EarnTheGTR, and today I'm gonna try to install my front lip on my 2022 Honda Civic. So first things first, we gotta clean the area, and we also gonna need a jack to jack up the car so we can get underneath to screw up the screws. So let's get to the cleaning first. Alright, so we wanna clean the area with some alcohol like always from my other videos. So we're just gonna, this is gonna go right here. That's how it's gonna go. Alright guys, safety first. You're always gonna put something in the back wheel so your car doesn't roll off. Alright, so this is the before. So we want to add some tape to give it a little more support. The tape is included. So what I'm thinking of, adding tape here, and then some tape down here, and then we're also going to screw with them. So like that, and then some tape on the bottom for more support. Alright, once you get the tape, this is how I'm going to do it with the tape. Put tape here and tape down here just for extra support, what helps the screw. Gotta make sure I do this right. Alright guys, so the kit comes with the screws. For better reinforcements, you always want to use washers when you screw in your, when you want to screw in your screws. The tape that it comes with, it sucks, so we're not going to use the tape. We're going to check that over there for a little bit. Alright. There is a pin that we're going to be taking out right here. So this goes in there with the pin. We're going to use this tool to take off the pin. Alright, and you also don't want to tighten all the screws in case you gotta adjust it. Alright guys, the next one piece is this one. We're gonna install this one first so we can screw. It has 5 screws, so we're gonna screw it on the bottom for more support. Don't forget, you always want to use washers to give it extra support. Also 2 more pins that we're gonna take out with our tool. So let's get those pins out of the way first before we place it. Now we're gonna use these ones to piece together. We're gonna put them here, and then here when we attach that piece. Same thing, you want to use washers to give it more support. Put the next piece, same thing as the other side, but we're gonna scratch the tape because that tape stuck. Oh no. We gotta put the pins back underneath the car before I forget. Alright guys, finally finished like 5 hours later, but this is how it looks like. Let me know in the comments below how I did, if you like how it looks. Next, I'm gonna be doing the side skirts and then the diffuser. I'm gonna do it today, but it's gonna be separate videos. So hope you guys like this. Follow for more videos and follow my journey on how I go from a Honda Civic to a Nissan GTR.